to hold you close and all your fears that you dream of.
Alright, right in here I'm fixing some sort of a door right here. Okay, I got maybe 4 doors are right there. Okay, I would like to have a custom parameters built right into the property palette, saying whether the door is bought from the market or built in the site. Okay, so let's try to build it up by using the shared parameters. Again, we'll create a new parameter. If you doesn't have anything right in here, I can, this one is for Windows. Okay, save it. Can create a new group. This one's for where cast. Okay, whatever. I don't care the name. In cast, I can add a new parameter. This one will be location. This location can be text. Yeah, text was there. Okay, that's far enough. That's it. Next, I can go for project parameters. I can add a parameter, which one will be shared parameter, and I can go for the instance property. As all these doors are that of the same type, I can go for instance property. This one will be built right into the door, and I like to select the shared parameter named as cast. Okay, now I can get into door, and right in here I can enter the location where this one will be cast inside. This one will be built inside, and this one will be from the factory. That's built right in the factory. Okay, I can populate that right from here site. I think the factory didn't register. Okay, factory is registered right now. Right here, I can have this factory. Okay, that's it. Now get into the schedule. I can get right in here. I can pick up door. Yeah, and also you can have the location. You can edit the parameter right in this dialog box here. I'm not carrying it. Okay, location, border, and if you can have this door right in here. So that's how you'll be inserting a custom function either right into the property palette or the edit type of any of these architecture elements right in Revit.